Hello YouTube, this is Shadow Walker 1776. I'd like to welcome you back to a tabletop review. What we have here today is something a little bit different. It's a folding knife that's sold under the Smith & Wesson name, called the Texas Hold'em. This particular pattern is called a Congress. I just picked it up only because I've always wanted to have a Congress pattern pocket knife. I don't really carry it, it just sits in my collection. But when I was a kid, I was told that the reason it's called a Congress is because it has two sets of blades. Just like there are the House of Representatives and there is the Senate. And I was always taught that the names of the blades was for whichever parties happened to be in power would be the large blade and the minority party would be the small blade. So right now, if with our current government on this one, as far as the House is concerned, this would be the Republican blade, that'd be the Democrat blade. And on the other side of the Senate, you would have the Democrat blade and the Republican blade. Just kind of a novelty, that's all, nothing special. This particular knife is actually made under license for Smith & Wesson by Taylor Cutlery, which unfortunately is made in China, which makes this piece a little prophetic because of just how much of the debt the Chinese now own. But we won't go there. Here's the box it came in. Got the Smith & Wesson logo, Smith & Wesson name, but it is marked on the side, Taylor Brand LLC, made in China. Official license of Smith & Wesson Corporation. The particular knife is the TH4BC. And this particular one is the Texas Hold'em. The handle is marked right here, Texas Hold'em. It does have a plastic pearlite scales, and it is of a goldish color, and it has brass bolsters and pin. The blades are marked Smith & Wesson, and on the other side of the blade it is marked hammer forged, whatever that's supposed to mean. And then the blade itself is marked Smith & Wesson Texas Hold'em. Has the Smith & Wesson logo to the one side and just a poker hand at the other. So it does come with a little instruction sheet on how to care for it. I think I paid about $12 for this particular knife. It was just one I picked up to throw in the collection, nothing special about it, but I thought I would bring it out today and talk about it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and as always, watch your six.